Hey, thanks for clicking. See, the thing is that YouTube is changing and so many creators are gonna blow up in the coming weeks and months, especially those that know how to leverage this huge opportunity that's coming. In this video, I want to talk about what my plans are and how I'm looking at content creation as we move closer to 2023. One of the most important things to always be doing as a YouTube creator is bringing in new subscribers to your channel. That's the lifeblood, that's the future of your channel. So in this video, let's start off, number one, by talking about different content types and how they can allow you to do just that. Number one, YouTube Shorts are tremendous for growth, for gaining those subscribers, and that's why I've been making more shorts over the last few weeks. And then there's live streaming, which is a fantastic way to generate earnings and money as you build an active audience over time. But typically, if you're really focused on publishing videos, it'll be the videos, long form, and shorts that'll create the subscriber base. Those are the ways to grow. But live streaming, typically not so much. And I absolutely love the community tab for posting content regularly and again, engaging my audience. If you wanna grow and you wanna be successful, nothing is more important than creating content on a regular basis. The more you do that, live streaming, shorts, community posts, it doesn't matter, the better your communication will be. The more apt you'll become with the different options when it comes to content and more. Step number two, you know how you keep hearing about niche, you gotta choose a niche. I'm not talking about that today. It's kind of similar, but I think it's a lot more powerful. I want you to think about you, what you love, what you enjoy. What kind of YouTuber are you? Are you a vlogger, a storyteller, a filmmaker? Do you do how-to videos, how to cook, how to sew? The more you specialize over time, the more you'll be able to create a style that nobody can duplicate. And at that point, you'll be successful because no one will be able to create the experience, the video experience that you can create. For example, I've really been into film, outdoor stuff, and I've been doing more of that. It's really been rewarding, and my style has evolved over time. How about you? What are you into? If you're not sure, then just think, hey, what kind of videos get me really excited? What are the things I've wanted to do but I've held back? Do those things, move forward, and it'll give you so much sense of purpose and fulfillment. You dig? Oh, by the way, I'm filming a time lapse. I thought I'd just come up and create a video at the same time just because I thought it would be fun. Here's a tip. If you're not sure what your style is, just ask yourself that continually and think about what are the types of content you really love? What do you aspire to do? And then strive to take small steps to make that a reality. Here's a bonus tip. Try new things, camera angles, types of content. Be willing to make a mistake because often mistakes create such cool images, just like this photo I took yesterday, and I thought these grasses would create a look that's awful, and it's cool. Mistakes for the win. Try the thing that scares you. Let's talk about step number three. This is the power engagement hook or intro. And what I want you to think about is when you just follow a few of the basic steps you've heard about again and again, but you combine them in a powerful way, you're gonna see better results when I'm talking about the first 30 seconds of your video. The more viewers are still watching at the 30-second mark, the more likely you'll get the kind of engagement needed to drive the results you're after. Here's how you break it down. I want you to think about a keyword phrase. You identify the phrase, you're gonna put that phrase in your title, and you're gonna combine a compelling word, something like secret, never before shared, hidden, new opportunity, satisfying, results in minutes, free, guaranteed, and the most powerful word there is, you. When you use you in your title, when you talk about your videos as in, I'm gonna share how you can groom your dog. I'm gonna share how you can get more views or how you can create the most delicious chicken cacciatore, chef's kiss, mwah, bellissima. So delicious. So take your own stories, but don't talk about like, this is what I did today. Share, you know, when I did this thing, I learned something that can help you. You get it? Step number 5, do this and I guarantee you're gonna see better results over time as long as you continue to make videos. Dig. thing you want to do is make a simple script and go like this with your hands. And the thing I want you to think about is just create a bullet list of all the topics you want to cover and go for as many as possible, 25. And then I want you to narrow down and cut down as many of the ones you keep hearing about on YouTube on other similar channels. And then when you film your video, all you got to do is go through the items, talk about the things on your list that are talked about less frequently, which will get viewers to the end of your video, as I just mentioned. Super powerful. Give it a try. It's not hard. It works wonders. And the next thing I want you to do is to watch the video on the screen now, because it's going to help you get more views by understanding how to really understand your audience, leveraging the power of keyword phrases. Don't think, just click. I'll see you on the next one. You dig?